Hi, I'm Yadu Anand. I'm currently doing my second year BTech in Mechanical Engineering in TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, Kerala. I'm glad Skill Desire has provided me an opportunity to present this medicinal capsule box which I designed. It was selected for the real-time innovation drive conducted by Skill Desire. So let's begin. As you can see, this is the medicinal capsule box which I designed in the 3D modeling software called Fusion 360. I have observed elderly people who mostly have slight memory loss having difficulty in taking the right medicine at the right time. Most of them mess it up. So this inspired me to design this product to present in the real-time innovation drive of Skill Design. Now let's see how this medicinal capsule box works. Each capsule box is stacked over one another. The user will be taking out the used box from top and fixing it to the bottom consecutively. Cap and bottle are designed to push fit. What you saw in Fusion 360 might be slightly longer in height and shorter in dia compared to the picture depicted here. The diameter is increased and the height is decreased in order to increase its stability as well as increase its easiness of handling. This is the proposed improvement for this product. Partitions are provided inside each capsule box for consumption of medicine at different time intervals such as morning, afternoon, evening or night. Now let's see the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process included in this design is injection molding, which we will discuss later. The material used is acrylic plastic, which is one of the common plastic used nowadays. The advantages of this design is it is lightweight, it is transparent, it is comfortable to use, it has high stability, it is a strong material. The acrylic plastic is transparent as well as strong and it is lightweight. And the handling is so easy, therefore it increases its comfortability. Now let's see the applications. It can be used in home, office, hospital and when traveling. It has high portability. This is another proposed improvement for this design. If we use different dia bottles, it can decrease its stability. So in order to maintain its stability as well as handling, we use the same dia bottles, but the mechanism remains the same, which is the push and fit type cap and bottle. Now let's see the manufacturing process in detail. The manufacturing process is injection molding. The majority of thermoplastics and some thermosetting polymers can be injection molded. The process is suited to the manufacture of a huge range of polymer products from bottle tops to wheelie bins and furnitures. The material is introduced into the machine in a pellet form via the hopper. The polymer is moved down the barrel towards the mold by the action of a reciprocating screw. The temperature of the polymer increases because of the friction between the pellets and the compressing and shearing action of the screw. External heaters are also used to ensure the polymer is molten before it reaches the injection phase. The screw also acts as a ram, pushing the molten polymer into the mold tool cavity at high pressure, ensuring the whole mold is filled. There is then a pause in the injection process whilst the components cool. The mold opens, the parts are ejected and the mold is clamped shut ready for the next cycle. And thus we get the final shape. Those who wish to learn and design real-time innovations, please visit Skill Design. It is the best platform for those who wish to upskill their technical knowledge as well as improve their connections with various industries out there. Thank you.